Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mailchimp for newsletters. Mailchimp is a fantastic tool designed to help you connect with your audience through email marketing. It simplifies the process of sending professional newsletters, allowing you to reach thousands of subscribers with just a few clicks. Whether you are a small business or a large enterprise, Mailchimp provides the features you need to build strong customer relationships and drive engagement. First, let's talk about building your audience. You can easily import your existing contact lists or create custom sign-up forms to gather new subscribers. Mailchimp allows you to segment your audience based on various criteria, ensuring your messages are highly relevant. For instance, you might create a segment for new customers versus long-term subscribers. This targeted approach can significantly boost your engagement rates and campaign effectiveness. Now, let's dive into crafting your newsletter. Mailchimp's intuitive drag-and-drop editor makes designing beautiful emails simple. You can select from hundreds of professional templates and customize them to match your brand's aesthetic. Add engaging images, compelling text, and clear calls to action to encourage interaction. Remember, a well-designed email can capture attention and drive your audience to take the next step, whether it's visiting your website or making a purchase. Finally, it's time to send your newsletter and track its performance. You can schedule your emails to go out at the best times for your audience, maximizing reach. After sending, Mailchimp provides detailed analytics, showing you open rates, click-through rates, and more. This valuable data helps you understand what resonates with your subscribers, allowing you to continuously improve your email marketing efforts and achieve even greater success with each campaign.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.